So, you want to move to Dallas? You're not alone. Over 250 people arrive to the DFW area every single day. And about half of those are international arrivals. And it's easy to see why. DFW has a booming job market and has led the nation as the metroplex that has added the most jobs in the last few years of any other metroplex in the United States. In the last few years, more people moved to the DFW area than any other metroplex in the entire country. For those who are not familiar, DFW stands for Dallas-Fort Worth, and Fort Worth is about an hour west of Dallas. Dallas is a favorable place to be because Texas does not have state income tax and the housing prices tend to be cheaper than other major metropolitan areas in the U.S. However, in the last 10 years, the average price of a house in the DFW area has almost doubled. With that being said, it is still cheaper than most major cities in the U.S. And that's saying something when you consider that the DFW metroplex is the fourth largest in population in the U.S., smaller only than New York City, LA, and Chicago. And Dallas's housing prices and general cost of living is nowhere near as expensive as those cities. I'm Anna Porter. I'm a real estate agent here in Texas, and although I was born in New York City and a lot of my family still lives there, I grew up here in Dallas and I live here again now. I'm going to be using this channel to take you on home tours, apartment tours, to do budget comparisons, to show you what you can get here in the DFW area for your money. I'm going to be showing you different neighborhoods around Dallas and doing price comparisons and even going out to the suburbs to show you what you can get in different suburbs of Dallas. Because the DFW metroplex is so large, the suburbs are a really big deal here. Let me know what you would like me to talk about here on my channel or show you or do videos on. You can contact me directly via email if you see a property on my channel that you want to tour. I'll be uploading videos regularly here on my channel with new properties to show you guys. So drop below in the comments what you want to see on my channel, what areas you want me to look at, subscribe and hit the bell notification. Dallas has a lot of cool neighborhoods that are extremely different from each other, so there's a place for everyone. From Bishop Arts to Deep Ellum to Knox Henderson, Oak Lawn, Lower Greenville, Uptown, Lakewood, Highland Park, and Preston Hollow, Dallas has a wide variety of areas where you can settle down and feel at home. There's way more diversity here than stereotypes about Texas would lead you to believe. The Dallas Arts District is the largest contiguous urban art district in the country, and Dallas has the 8th highest LGBTQ population in the country. Not to mention, 10,000 large businesses have their headquarters in Dallas, with 23 corporate headquarters of massive companies in the U.S., making it third in the country for large corporation headquarters. So there's no surprise that Dallas has an extremely low unemployment rate. For sports fans, Dallas has a team for every major sport, with some very well-known franchises to root for. For entertainment lovers, there are so many venues and halls, so major tours almost always stop in Dallas. And let's not forget the Texas State Fair, which opens throughout September and is famous for food and entertainment. Although weather is a polarizing topic, and the summers here can get pretty hot, for the most part, Dallas's weather is a crowd pleaser, with a lot of sunny days to enjoy outdoor activities. That's why a lot of the properties here have pools in their backyard. And I don't know about you, but for me, anytime I travel to a new city, I'm always looking to try out the local cuisine, and what a city has to offer in the food department is especially important when deciding where to live. Dallas has no shortage of excellent signature cuisine that it is known for, from Tex-Mex to the best barbecue around to the beef quality, making steaks and burgers the best, it is also known for ice cream, kolaches, and having every fast food place you'd want. I mentioned earlier that Dallas's suburbs have a lot to offer, and that's also true in the food department, where you can find Koreatown and Chinatown, and as you may guess, the food there doesn't disappoint either. What I'm planning to do first is to take a certain budget and show you what your money can get you in certain Dallas neighborhoods and Dallas suburbs, so you can get a sense of what you can afford and also what that specific neighborhood or suburb has to offer if you were a resident there. I'll also be doing videos on rentals if you're not planning to buy just yet. And I have also lived in so many other cities and even countries. So if you're interested in me comparing the cost of living in different cities, I would love to do that as well, so just drop those places below. Some other fun future ideas I have for this channel down the line are home renovations or possibly even flips, so stay tuned. Let me know which budget, neighborhood, area, or just subject you'd like me to explore next. Thanks, guys!